There's an outbreak of botulism in infants that's being linked to By Heart Whole Nutrition infant formula. Botulism is a dangerous, potentially fatal infection that causes progressive flaccid paralysis, so this is kind of a big deal. There's a voluntary recall on these 2 batches of infant formula. If you are using this, please stop immediately. The situation is still under investigation, but there are 13 cases, all that have required hospitalization. The babies are 16 to 157 days old and all consumed the By Heart formula in the last month. There are 10 states that are impacted, including Arizona, California, Illinois, Minnesota, New Jersey, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Texas, and Washington. Infantile botulism happens when babies ingest the Clostridium botulinum spore, and it colonizes their immature intestinal tract and then can produce the neurotoxin botulism toxin, which creates weakness. It doesn't let the muscles fire like they're supposed to. The toxin generally works from the top down. So in addition to constipation, infants often have eyelid drooping, decreased facial expressions, difficulty feeding, poor cry, difficulty swallowing, generalized weakness. And if the toxin gets down to the diaphragm before we figured out what's going on, they can have respiratory arrest. There is a treatment that can reverse the effects of the toxin called baby big or botulism immunoglobulin, but most hospitals don't have this in stock. It's going to take a day or 2 to get shipped in. In the meantime, the most emergent thing is going to be making sure the baby's breathing okay, and unfortunately, in some cases, that may mean a temporary breathing tube. Botulism is not commonly found in dairy products or infant formula. It's commonly found in soil, on vegetables, in dust that's being blown around, or honey, which is why we say not under 12 months of age for honey. This is something that's really rare, so if you are not being impacted by this formula recall, this is just good information to know, but nothing to be worried about.